tutorial we will go over doing a transfer from one location to the next. We're going to warehouse, planning execution, and transfer orders. If this does not come up blank, please hit your F3 key or your insert key or edit in new to come up with a new transfer order. Once you have your cursor in the number field, simply tab off of that to assign a new number. Transfer from and to is simply what warehouse are you moving this from. So let's say we're going from Albert Lea to Austin. Our in-transit code automatically populates when we tab off, and then we want to look at our posting date for the date you actually want this in the system. Our company and code and cost center shouldn't be used, but just in case, at this point we are asking that you enter the company code and cost center from wherever this is shipping from. So in this case, our company code and cost center would be 03 map, let's say. Our transfer from and to are simply just putting in the address information of the warehouses we selected. From there, we can go ahead and select a part number that we want to look at. You have to bear with me while I find a part number that we actually have product for, which I think we have some for this in our tutorial. And let's say we want to transfer 5 of those. And you can see our quantity to ship is 5. And we actually need to tell the system to ship this, and then when this is received in Austin, Austin would actually have to go in and receive this. So if this is everything that we need to do, we want to go to post and the postings, and then print and post, whichever is acceptable for you. For the tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and post this, and we want to ship it. And we're just going to say OK, and it's going to run through our system. When Austin then receives this, they need to go in and pull up the list and get the transfer order, and then they need to say, okay, that there's 5 shipped. If they received all 5, now we have a quantity of 5 that we need to receive. We want to go in and then go to our postings and post, and we want to receive it. Once it's done, we get the message that it's been deleted, and now the inventory is actually moved within the system. One thing, if this is a lot controlled item, before we go in and ship and receive it, we do need to assign lot numbers to that. And to do that, we would go to line and item tracking lines, and then actually select, okay, is this on the receipt or shipment, and then go ahead and assign the lot numbers that we moved as well.